What's up guys, it's Techbud here, and today we are going to be unboxing an iPhone 7 from Quick Mobile Fix. And if you don't know who Quick Mobile Fix are, they're a company who sell refurbished tablets and phones for affordable prices. So let's get into this. Just to give you some more information about the phone, I ordered an iPhone 7 in matte black, 32GB, and as for the condition, I ordered excellent. So this is the one just under pristine. So let's open this up. The phone actually only took 8 days to arrive, which was pretty quick, so I'm happy about that. Let's see. Okay, so it comes with a lightning cable. Looks alright. Comes with a screen protector. And here is the iPhone itself. So unlocked, 32GB. Matte black, in excellent condition. So let's see how it looks. Oh, there's also a SIM ejector tool here as well. Let's see the condition. That's all right. You can see just a few tiny scratches on the screen, but that's not that noticeable. I don't know if I can focus into that. Alright, there you go. You can see just a few scratches over there, but that's barely noticeable. As for the sides, it looks perfectly good. A few scratches at the back. Over there, there's a scratch over there. Apart from that, yeah, looks pretty good. And so that, guys, is my unboxing. So lightning cable, SIM ejector tool, and a screen protector. So thank you, Quick Mobile Fix. I would definitely recommend this company in case you need a phone and you don't want to pay the price of a new phone. Amazing. And make sure to like and subscribe.